Hello everyone, today I want to put together a running lights scheme, but in a very unusual way. I want to make running lights in the form of a ball or a sphere. What will come out of this and whether it will work at all, you can see in this video. This scheme can be divided into two parts. The first part is based on the NE555 timer, whose task is to generate pulses. The second part is built on the CD4017 chip. This is a decimal counter that counts pulses and consistently supplies voltage to its terminals, lighting the corresponding LEDs. By changing the nominal value of the resistor R2, you can change the frequency of the generated pulses, and therefore the speed of the running lights. In this scheme, there are 18 LEDs on each channel. It is impossible to connect them directly to the chip, because it is not designed for such a load. Therefore, the signal from the chip first goes to the corresponding high-power transistor that controls the LEDs. First of all, I soldered all the necessary jumpers on the chips. I tried to arrange all the details of the scheme as compactly as possible, so that later this design would fit inside the sphere. In this scheme, I used two KT817 transistors, as well as a KT815 transistor. The use of different transistors will not affect the performance of the device in any way. So, everything is ready, the scheme is assembled. Before proceeding to the manufacture of the sphere, I decided to make sure that the device is working properly. I soldered one LED to each channel and applied the supply voltage. As you can see, one LED does not go out completely, that is, the transistor does not close. Therefore, now we will have to change it to another one. After replacing the transistor, the running lights circuit began to work without any problems. Now you can start the most time-consuming and lengthy process. This is the manufacture of a sphere of LEDs. At the beginning, I bent all the necessary blanks from a copper wire with a diameter of 0.8 millimeters. Next, I needed to solder 55 LEDs onto a wireframe. When half of the sphere was ready, I fixed the base of the running lights in its center, that is, the assembled circuit of the device. I soldered wires to the output of each channel and connected them to the corresponding groups of LEDs. I connected the upper LED directly to the power supply. On the LED, which is located at the top of the sphere, you also need to solder a current limiting resistor at 270 ohms. I forgot to do it at first, but I'll fix it now. Now you can continue assembling the sphere. Finally, the sphere of LEDs is ready, and it remains only to solder the wires to supply the supply voltage. Well, after several hours of painstaking work, the LED sphere is ready. Now let's see what happened in the end. Running lights in the form of a sphere work wonderfully. With the help of variable resistance, you can adjust the speed of rotation or the speed of movement of running lights. This device also works perfectly at a power supply voltage of 5 volts. In this case, the brightness of the LEDs is only slightly reduced. This concludes this video. If you liked it, if you liked this idea of running lights, then do not forget to subscribe to the InvexLab channel so as not to miss new videos and new homemade products on my channel. I thank you for watching and bye.